We finally have a new Flash badge on Abstract. It took quite some time, but here we are. So it's time for another update in my Abstract series. Welcome back. I got almost 50 videos covering Abstract. And yes, this one here will be a quick one. I'm going to show you how to get the newest Flash badge. If you watch my series, probably you can claim this one right away if you did what I showed you in one of the past Abstract videos. But first of all, let's go through some updates. The Abstract portal is the new discovery and rewards layer powering real crypto adoption. 11.4 million total upvotes, 5.2 million total badges claimed. And you see this here, you now have the upvote streak. I failed with mine, but of course this leads to way more upvotes. So do with that what you will, but some nice stats here to see. Another update, I talked about this in my last Abstract video. The MCP server for Abstract is coming and agents will actually be able to directly LP into Aborean with the Abstract global wallets. So soon agents will be able to do anything on Abstract. I explained this in the last video in my Abstract series. I'm gonna link it up here. And also, if you don't know what an MCP server is, I actually got a series going on about AI agents, explaining the different parts. And one of those is explaining what an MCP server is and what it does and why it is so important for AI agents these days. Enough talk, you want to know how to get the newest Flash badge, and I'm gonna show you how. As I said, if you watched one of my previous videos in the Abstract series, you can probably go ahead and claim this right away. This was the video, I will link it up here. I explain Aborean Finance in detail, and this one here is an Aborean Finance Flash badge together with Gate. Let's look at the details. This badge is awarded to those who LP any amount into either Gate DeFi pool on Abstract. So again, deep dive on Aborean Finance is covered in this video here. But what you need to do is, if you connected your Abstract global wallet to Aborean Finance, and if you have any trouble doing this, either watch the video or ask below, I'm happy to help. Then you go to liquidity, and then you search for some of the pools that have the G in it for a gate. For example, GBTC USDC is one of those pools, or the one I have some liquidity in is the GUSD USDC E pool. There's not a lot of APR there, but if you wanted to go in that one, let's search for GUSD. Here, then you would click on new deposit, and it would be enough if you actually put in one GUSD and the according sum of USDCE. I don't have it in here right now, but then this would be enough. Basically spend $2 and a little bit of gas fees to do this. If you want to swap, you can do this either through Aborean Finance or, as always, in the Abstract portal if you go to trade. That's about it. As soon as you provided liquidity like I did, you can actually claim the Flash badge. Let's do this together, and then I'm gonna give you a little bit of alpha as well. Here we go. Hey, they fixed the animation in dark mode. I love it. Now we got another badge in the house. As always, 2FA, I advise strongly to do this so you're safer against scams. And here we go, we claimed the newest Flash badge. One thing to keep in mind, if you have a lock, which many of you do, as I showed you in the Aborean Finance video, you can now vote each week. And as you can see here, if we sort by the annualized rewards for current epoch, then you can see that Gate actually put in some available incentives here with GBTC, GUSD, GBTC, and some of the, or GBlue in those, for those pools if you vote for those. So for example, you could, for example, select this one, go to vote 100%, and then vote, and then you sign the transaction, and then you are good to go and actually get the rewards for voting, which are incentivized this week from Gate as well. So as you can see here, the vote was submitted. And that's already it for this week's update. Let me know if you were already able to claim the badge right away because you watched one of my previous videos and you did the same liquidity pool as I did. XP update will be coming today. Keep an eye out for that. I have a pretty decent stream of 15k in the last couple of weeks. 15k, 16k, 13 there, 16, 25k. So yeah, if you have any questions around that, feel free to ask away in the comments, and also watch the previous videos because I go into detail on how I got the experience points in those. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those updates, and check out the newest AI videos that I released over the last couple of days and weeks.